Behind every captivating song is a collaborative creative process that involves talented producers and music artists. These people work tirelessly to turn ideas into musical masterpieces that touch the hearts and souls of listeners. The music production process is a delicate balance of inspiration, collaboration, and technical expertise. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating journey that producers and artists go through in order to bring their musical visions to life. It all starts with finding inspiration. Every creative endeavor begins with a spark, a flash of insight that reveals the way ahead. For music producers and artists, this initial burst of creativity can come from a whispering wind, a fleeting emotion, or a profound life experience. The artist has the responsibility to capture and channel that power. Next comes the songwriting and composition process. Writing songs involves combining musical concepts to create a larger composition with a consistent melody, harmony, and rhythm. Crafting a good song is subjective, as it depends on the audience's interests and preferences. However, from a craftsmanship perspective, a song's structure can be judged more objectively. Music artists frequently work with songwriters to develop lyrics that effectively convey their message and emotions. Concurrently, the music's composition takes shape, with artists and producers experimenting with melodies, chord progressions, and instrumentation. This stage entails trial and error as they seek the ideal combination of words and music to create an enthralling piece. Pre-production is an important stage where producers and music artists fine-tune their concepts and prepare for the recording process. They collaborate to define the song's structure, experiment with different arrangements, and make creative decisions about tempo, key, and dynamics. This stage allows them to lay a strong foundation before the recording process begins. It's during recording that the real magic happens. Music artists bring their vocals to life, while producers capture and shape the sound meticulously. Technological advancements have opened up limitless possibilities, allowing artists and producers to experiment with various instruments, effects, and production techniques. Multiple takes, track layering, and soundscaping are all part of the recording process until the desired result is achieved.
Once the recording phase is complete, sound engineers dive into the intricate music production process. Editing plays a crucial role in refining the tracks, repositioning out-of-tune parts, correcting pitches, and ensuring the best possible audio quality for the performance.
The real fun begins with mixing. It's the stage where all the recorded instruments are combined into a stereo mix, creating a balanced and immersive listening experience. A good mix is crucial in allowing listeners to appreciate the song and its intended impact. The finishing touches are applied during the mastering stage. Skilled mastering engineers work with music artists to polish, balance, and optimize the sound of the song. They pay close attention to every detail, ensuring sonic clarity and cohesiveness across the entire album. Crafting a song is a labor of love that requires a smooth working relationship between producers and music artists. It is a journey of technical skill, creativity, and self-expression. Each step in the music production process is carefully carried out to elicit an emotional response from the listeners, from the initial inspiration to the final mastering. Songs are created through a creative process that demonstrates the power of music and how it can speak to our hearts and souls in a way that words alone cannot. Zoom Recording Studio, the top recording studio in Los Angeles, aids music artists in crafting their songs. With our modern setup, skills, and expertise, we can help create songs that can resonate with your listeners.